this session is based on grammar, and we are going to see a new fresh topic in today's class. Okay, but before we begin, we are going to have a small warm-up activity, and children, please use headphone for better audio. Okay, so let's start the class with an activity. So for this activity, I call Jayanti. Can you please come here?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. So Jayanti, I have a wonderful activity for you. Are you ready for the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So in this activity, I'm going to give you one thing. Okay. And you have to tell me how is the thing. Are you ready?
Yes.
Fine. So this is the thing. What is this?
Water bottle.
Very nice. So it is a water bottle. Can you tell me how is a water bottle? Can you tell me how is a water bottle?
This is green color.
Very nice. Can you speak loudly? The water bottle is green. Then how is a water bottle?
Very big, ma'am.
Okay, the water bottle is very big. Big. Very nice. Can you say something else about the water bottle? How is a water bottle?
Very useful.
Very nice. The water bottle is very useful. How is it useful?
Fill the water.
Very nice. You can use a water bottle to fill water in it, and you can carry it easily wherever you go, right? Very nice, Jayanti. You did a very good job.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay, children. So we have another student now. Dharanya, can you come here?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Had your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. So you saw Jayanti, right?
Yes.
So like that, I'm going to give you one thing, and you have to tell me how is the thing. Okay?
Yes,
so what is this?
It is a post box, ma'am.
Okay, it is a post box. Very nice. Where can you find post box?
In the roadsides.
Very nice. Okay. So now you have to tell me. It's a post box, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you have to tell me how is the post box.
It looks very nice, ma'am.
Okay, the post box is nice. Then, can you tell me more about the post box?
It is in a big size,
Come
ma'am.
here. Okay, it is big in size. Then what else?
It is red in color.
Very nice. It is red in color. Then, can you tell me more about the post box? How is it?
Yes, more space inside.
Okay, so the post box is spacious. Yes or no? Very well done, Dharanya. Please go and sit in your place. Thank you so much. Okay. So next we are going to call Kavya.
Yes, ma'am.
Kavya, please come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Smiling always, right? Very
Yes, ma'am.
good. So how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you, ma'am?
Good, I'm fine too. Okay, so you saw two of your friends, what they did, yes or no? So I have a product for you, a thing for you, and you have to tell me about the thing, okay? So I have this wonderful thing for you.
Wow.
Okay, so first tell me what is that?
It's a plant.
Very good, it's a plant.
In a pot.
Okay, it is in a pot.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So the plant is in a pot. Now can you tell me how is the plant?
The plant is fresh.
Okay, the plant is fresh.
It is green in color.
Wow, it is green in color.
And it is big in size.
Okay, it is big in size. Can you tell me about the pot?
The pot is black in color.
Okay, the pot is black.
And it is strong, ma'am.
Okay, the pot is very strong. have learned, children? I showed you some things. Those things were nouns. Yes or no? Those things were nouns. You have already learned in the first class what is noun. What is a noun? Noun is a name of everything. Okay, noun is a name of everything. All the names in the world are nouns only. Okay, you have a name. I also have a name. This thing also has a name. Yes or no? This room also has a name. Yes or no? Our school also has a name. Our state also has a name. So everything, every person, every place, animal, river, mountain, everything has a name. Yes or no? And all the names in the world are called nouns. Is this clear, children? So I showed you some nouns. The first noun which I showed you was a water bottle. Yes or no? So how is the water bottle? What Jayanti told us. How is the water bottle? The water bottle is green. The water bottle is big. The water bottle is useful. Yes or no? The second thing which I showed was the post box. Yes or no? So what Dharanya said, how is the post box? Post box eppadi irukku? The post box is very nice. The post box is very big. Then the post box is red in color. Then the post box is very spacious. What is the meaning of spacious? Which has a lot of space, like your classroom. Okay, your classroom is very spacious. So much of space is there in your classroom. Yes or no? Yes. Then the next thing which I showed was a beautiful plant. Yeah. So Kavya described the plant. Plant is also a noun. Yes or no? It is a name of the thing. Okay. If I show you, so you now get a counter. If I am asking you what is this, it is a thing. Yes or no? It is a living thing. But what is the name of this thing? The name of this thing is plant. The name of this thing is a pot. Okay. So name the banditale. What is that? It is a noun. And how is the noun? This question you please remember, children. How is the noun? The noun, the plant is very fresh. Okay. Fresh. And the noun, the plant is green. The plant is big. Okay. Now what she said about the pot. The pot is black. The pot is big. The pot is strong. Okay, the pot is very strong. Then the last thing which I showed was a mobile phone. Yes or no? And Carol, how she described the mobile phone? She said that the mobile was big. She said that the case was pink in color. The cover was pink in color and the cover was beautiful. Okay. Now you see the words which I encircled tell you about what. Okay. So circle panna words along edu patti solludhu you have to note. Okay. So green, big, useful. They tell you about the water bottle. Okay, the water bottle was green, big and useful. So it tells you about, these words tell you about a noun. Yes or no? I already told you what is a noun. What is a noun? Noun is a name. Name of what? Name of everything. Okay, so in the thing got a name in that. Water bottle. So these things, the circle panna things are now, they tell you how is a noun or noun eppadi irukkuங்கிறது நமக்கு யார் சொல்றா இந்த words எல்லாம் சொல்றாங்க. Okay, all the words which I have circled, they tell you about what? They tell you about the noun. Yes or no? So tell me, how is the post box? Post box is a noun. Yes or no? So nice, big, red, spacious, all these words, they tell you how is the post box. Yes or no, children? So So these circled words are called what, children? I think you got the topic. Okay, today's topic is a wonderful topic. It is called adjectives. Okay, what are adjectives? You know better than me now. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words which are used to describe a noun. Okay, noun is describe. How is the noun? How is the noun? Who will tell us? The adjective will tell us. Okay, if I show you how is the noun, and the noun is green. So how is the noun? The answer which you get, that answer is an adjective. Okay, so today we are going to see adjectives. So you would have read what is adjective. Now you know very well what is adjective. Yes or no? So we are going to learn about the adjectives today. We are going to see the different types of adjectives. Okay. Now you can do this activity at your home also, children. You show something to your parents or ask your parents to show you a thing and you describe the noun in your own words. Okay, use different types of adjectives. Okay, based on its size, then color, like that. Okay, so today we are going to see adjectives. Adjective means what? What are adjectives? Words used to describe nouns. Okay, the words which are used to describe. Describe na enna? Or thing vandu varnikkiradhu. Okay, how is the noun? Appdi question kekkumbodhu the answer which you get is an adjective. Okay, now we are going to see the types of adjectives. Yes, children, so we saw what are adjectives. Yes or no? What are adjectives? The words which are used to describe nouns, they are called adjectives. Okay, now we are going to see the kinds of adjectives. In noun also you have read different kinds of nouns. Yes or no? In pronouns you saw different kinds of pronouns. Yes or no? Now we are going to see different kinds of adjectives. Now I want all of you to take your classwork note and please jot down, please write down all the notes which I am going to give you now. It will be very useful, children. So now we are going to see different kinds of adjectives. Kinds of adjectives. Alright, so there are 6 kinds of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number. Okay, then we have demonstrative adjective. In pronoun also we read demonstrative pronoun. Yes or no? In pronoun also we saw demonstrative pronoun. Do you remember what is demonstrative pronoun? You show. Demonstrate means what? To show, to point out to something. Okay, if I show you this thing and if I say this is a plant, that is demonstrative pronoun. Now we are going to see demonstrative adjective. There is a difference, children. Demonstrative pronoun ku demonstrative adjective ku chinna difference irukku. I will tell you what is the difference, then you will never forget. Okay, but the thing is you have to write down all the things. Okay, ipo puriyra mari da irukum, but tomorrow again if you flip the pages of your grammar book you will get confused. Okay, so better you take down everything in your classwork. Okay, and revise it again and again. Revise it again. After demonstrative we have interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective, same like pronouns. Next, last thing we have possessive adjective. We have possessive adjective. So these are the 6 kinds of adjectives. Excuse me. What are the adjectives? Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Next we have adjective of quantity. There is a difference. Okay. Quality. What kind of question you ask? You ask how. Okay. You ask how. How is the noun? If I show you a water bottle, if I ask you how is the water bottle, I'm asking the question how. Okay. And the answer which you get is the adjective of quality. Okay. For quantity, you will ask the question how much. Okay. You will ask the question how much. Okay. If I show you this water bottle, okay, I show you this water bottle and I ask about the water. How much water is there inside the bottle? How much water is there inside the bottle? The answer which you get is adjective of quantity. Okay, that means you don't have exact number. Then for number, what question you will ask? You will ask how many. Okay, you will ask how many. Is this clear, children? So this is the easiest way to remember what kind of adjective it is. For quality, you will ask the question how. How is the noun? The answer which you get is adjective of quality. Next, how much you ask? The answer which you get is adjective of quantity. That means you don't have exact number. Okay. Then when you ask how many, the answer which you get is the adjective of number. Is this clear, children? Today we are going to see only the first 3 and demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective we will see in the next class. Okay, children? Please jot down each and everything. Please write down each and everything. Revise again and again. Only then you will get thorough with the grammar. Okay? You need to understand and practice it. Okay? In grammar, practice is very important. So now we are going to see only the first 3 kinds of adjectives, which are adjective of quality, quantity and number. Okay. So first we will see quality. As I already told you, quality. So which question you will ask to get this quality adjective? You will ask the question how. Okay? You will ask the question how. So the answer which you get, it tells you about the quality. Adavadu or noun or a nature how the noun looks. Okay, that shows the quality. Now as Kavya said that the pot is very strong. So how is the pot? The pot is very strong. It tells you about the quality. Okay, it tells you about the nature of the noun. Yes or no? When I asked Dharanya, she said, when I asked her, how is the post box? She said, it is spacious. Yes or no? It is spacious. That means a lot of space is there inside this box. It is spacious. So spacious is also quality. Okay, how is the noun? You get the answer quality. Is this clear, children? Now I'll give you one example. The peacock is beautiful. Okay, the peacock is beautiful. This box is heavy. This box is heavy. Now see the third one. The water is dirty. The water is dirty. Now here when you see children, the first sentence, the peacock is beautiful. In the first sentence, which is the noun? We already know what is a noun. Noun is a name, yes or no? So here we have a name of a bird, a beautiful bird. Which bird is that? Peacock. So peacock is a noun. Now can you tell me how is the noun? How is the peacock? The peacock is beautiful. How is the peacock? The peacock is beautiful. So what is beautiful? It is an adjective. And what adjective it is? It is the adjective of quality. Okay, see the second sentence. This box is heavy. So in this sentence, can you tell me which is the noun? The word box is a noun. Okay, now tell me how is the noun? How is the box? The box is heavy. The box is very heavy. I cannot carry it. I cannot lift it. The box is very heavy. Okay, you should say heavy only. Don't say the box is weighted. You should not say the word weight because weight is not adjective. It is noun. Okay, so you can say the box is very heavy. So what is heavy? Heavy is adjective of quality. See the third sentence, the last sentence. The water is dirty. Okay, how is the water? Water is very dirty. The word water is noun. And how is the water? How is the noun? The noun is dirty. How is the water? The water is very dirty. Okay, so the word dirty is adjective. Adjective of what? Adjective of quality. Can you understand, children? So this is the adjective of. So yes, we have seen the adjective of quality, children. Next we are going to see the adjective of quantity. Okay, number 2, we are going to see the adjective of quantity. Quantity, to get the answer, which question we ask? Quantity means what? How much? Okay, evlo irukku, adu answer da quantity. We ask the question, how much? Okay, how much? So if I show you a jam bottle, if I ask you how much jam is there in the bottle, okay, if it is more than half, you will say there is much jam in the bottle, or it is very just 1 spoon of jam is there is only a little jam in the bottle. So it shows the quantity, how much, evlo irukku, right? So here I show you the water bottle. See, water bottle. I am not going to talk about the water bottle. Now you see the water which is inside the bottle. Okay, there is water. Only this much water is there. Okay, and if I ask you how much water is there inside the bottle, what answer you can give me? There is some water in the bottle, or you can say there is a little water in the bottle. Can you understand, children? How much water? Water is a noun. So how much water is there in the bottle? The answer which you are giving me is there is some water in the bottle, or you can say there is a little water in the bottle. There is some water in the bottle, or you can say there is a little water in the bottle. So the words some and a little, they are adjectives, children. Why? Because they tell you about the noun. How much of noun? Some noun. How much of noun? A little noun. Okay? Can you understand, children? So these adjectives are called the adjectives of quantity. Now I'll show you some examples. I'll show you some examples here. Now you know the pandemic is going on. Okay? What is the pandemic? COVID-19. Yes or no? So because of this COVID-19, there are many problems in the world. Okay, so because of this pandemic, because of this COVID-19, there are many problems in the world. Yes, there are so many problems like economic problems, financial problems, psychological problems. Yes or no? There are so many problems. So here, you tell me which is a noun. The word there is a noun? No. Are? No, it is not a noun. Many? Is it a noun? It's a name? No, it is not a name. Problems? Yes. Because it is a name. It's the name of a thing, okay? Which we cannot see, but we can only feel. Those nouns are called what? Those nouns? There are so many problems, yes or no? So this is a noun, and the word world is also a noun, okay? So here you tell me which noun is described. In the noun pati describe panna, word pati describe panna, okay? But when you see problems, you ask how many, how much. The answer which you get is adjective, okay? So if I ask what about the problems in the world? Oh my God, there are so many problems in the world. So the word many tells you about the problems. Yes or no? The word many tells you about the problem. So there are many problems, okay? But am I telling you the exact number? No, okay? I'm just telling you a quantity. Yes or no? When you don't have exact number, if I show you like this, okay? Can I ask how much? No, I will ask how many, and the answer which I get is 2 water bottles. How many water bottles? 2 water bottles. So the answer comes in number. That means exact number, okay? But problems, the word many, does it give you an exact number? No. Okay, it just tells you the quantity. Okay, so this, the word many is adjective. Adjective of what? Adjective of quantity. Quantity. Okay, and let me give you some more examples. There is much water in the bucket. Okay, there is much water in the bucket. Now here, 2 nouns are there, like in the first sentence. The word water is a noun and the word bucket is also noun. So this is noun 1, bucket is noun 2. Now see, my question is how much? How much of noun? Much noun. Okay? எவ்வளவு இருக்கு தண்ணி எவ்வளவு இருக்கு bucketல? Much water is there in the bucket. So the word much tells you about the noun. Okay? Noun எவ்வளவு இருக்குங்கிறத நம்ம யார் சொல்றா? The word much. Okay? So what is much? Much is adjective. Adjective of what? Adjective of quantity. Can you understand, children? So this is adjective of quantity. You can please refer your book also. There are so many exercises also they have given. Please work out, write all the answers in the book itself. Okay, those who don't have the book, no problem. You can write everything in your classwork. Okay, write down everything in your classwork note. Now the last noun which we are going to see is, the last adjective which we are going to see is the adjective of number. Okay. What is that? Adjective of number. Number. So in number, actually we have 2 types of adjective of number. One is it tells you exact number. Okay. For example, 1, 2, 3. For example, if I show you this letter box and if I have some letters inside the box, if I tell you to count and tell me, so how many letters are there inside the box? Which question I am asking now? I am asking how many. Okay, I ask how many. So you open the box and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ma'am, how many letters are there? Ma'am, there are 5 letters inside the box. Okay, so you're giving me an exact number. So I write the same example. There are 5 letters in the box. Okay, there are 5 letters in the box. Now you find out the nouns. How many nouns are there? 2 nouns are there. One is letters and the other one is box. Yes or no? It is the name of a thing, right? Now, if I ask how many letters, what I'm asking? How many? So your answer which you're giving me is 5. Yes or no? You're giving me a number. You're giving me an exact number. So this is an adjective. Okay? The word 5 is adjective. And what adjective it is? It is the adjective of number. Okay? Now see one more example. There are 20 students. There are 20 students in the queue. There are 20 students in the queue. Queue, what is queue? Line. Okay. So there are 20 students in the queue. So here also there are 2 nouns. Students is one noun. Queue is another noun. It's not noun. But if I ask you how many students, how many nouns are there in the queue? How many nouns are there? There are 20 nouns. You are giving me an exact number. Yes or no? So the word 20 is adjective. It is the adjective of number. Okay. Usually these adjectives, they come before noun, children. In the earlier examples also we saw in the adjective of quantity, we saw some water, a little water, many problems. If you look at what is the formula? Adjective it comes before a noun. Yena anda noun da adu describe pannudhu. Can you understand? In this also we have 5 nouns. Okay, first comes the adjective followed by noun. Okay, see the second one, 20 students. 20 is adjective, students is noun. So the adjective comes before a noun because this adjective is describing, it is telling you about this noun. Is it clear, children? So this is adjective of number. So that's all for today, children. I hope you understood. Let the truck pass. Okay. So today we have seen adjective, children. We have seen what is an adjective. So what is an adjective? Adjective is the word which describes a noun. The word which tells you about a noun. Or noun eppadi irukkuங்கிறது நமக்கு யார் சொல்வா? Adjective தான் சொல்லும். Okay. So in this we have seen 6 types of adjectives. The first one is adjective of quality. Eppadi irukku? How is a noun? Quality. Then how much? The answer is quantity, right? The next type of adjective is quantity. Next is number. How many? It is number. In number we have seen 5, 20. Some examples we have seen with the exact number. Yes or no? Then we have demonstrative adjective. Then we have interrogative adjective. And finally we have possessive adjective. The remaining 3 adjectives we will see in the next class. And today we have seen only 3. Which is quality, then quantity, and then number. Number we have seen how many. One more thing is there. Actually, this is for number, and one more type is there. It is instead of 5 we write 5th. Okay. For 1 we write first. Okay. For 2 we write second. So there is a name for this. Actually 5 it gives you exact number. రన్నింగ్ రేస్లో నీ ఫిఫ్త్ అంటే వచ్చుమే రైట్ యు ఆర్ నంబర్ 5 among 10 runners ఈ ఫిఫ్త్ అందరికైనా దట్ షోస్ యువర్ ఆర్డర్ ఓకే క్లాస్లో నీ సెకండ్ వరకు వచ్చుకో ఓకే యూ గెట్ ద సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ మార్క్ ఇన్ ద క్లాస్ సో ఆర్డర్లో యూ కమ్ సెకండ్ yes or no so it shows the order that is why those words are called ordinals okay they are called ordinals so these are also adjectives but what adjective are they adjective of number only but they are called ordinals okay for the same that shows exact number and ordinals they show you the exact order okay in the sequence so that's all for today children I hope you noted down everything please read out from your book also revise from your book and the exercise which they have given in the book please complete it it is given on page number wait let me tell you I have the book here so on page number 22 the lesson starts okay the topic starts the chapter starts from page number 22 and you have first you have the kinds of adjective so on page number 23 you have first exercise okay so you do the first exercise on page number 23 only this exercise you do that is enough apart from this you will get the worksheet also in worksheet you write the answers whichever you know okay you please try to work out to solve all the problems and that's all for today in the next class we will see the other 3 adjectives okay children I hope you understood so thank you have a nice day take care